Ever wondered how to achieve that perfect crumbly streusel topping on your favorite baked goods? That delightful crunch and sweet buttery flavor can truly turn your ordinary baked delights into extraordinary treats. The secret lies in 3 simple ingredients: flour, sugar, and butter. These humble kitchen essentials, when combined in the right proportions, create a versatile topping that can grace anything from muffins to pies. Intrigued? Excellent! Now let's delve into the steps to mastering the perfect streusel topping. Ready to take your baking skills to the next level? Let's dive into the art of making the perfect streusel topping. It all begins with choosing the right ingredients. You'll need flour, sugar, and butter. These 3 form the backbone of any great streusel. To maintain that desirable crumbly texture, cut cold butter into small cubes and work it into the flour and sugar using your fingers or a pastry cutter. It's a bit like making pie crust. You want your mixture to resemble coarse, wet sand. Applying the streusel topping is the final step. Whether you're topping a coffee cake or a batch of blueberry muffins, sprinkle a generous layer of the streusel over your unbaked goods. The magic happens in the oven, where the streusel bakes into a sweet, crumbly layer. And there you have it, a simple yet effective guide to making the perfect streusel topping. So, are you ready to make your baked goods stand out with a perfect streusel topping? Let's recap. Choosing the right ingredients is crucial. Your butter should be cold and your sugar granulated. The mixing process is equally important. Combine until you have pea-sized crumbs. Lastly, don't skimp on the application. A generous layer is the key to that irresistible crunch. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more baking tips and tricks. Happy baking!